Check structural opening size, matches the job sheet, clear width and opening height. Also check that the floor is level both sides. If not, an allowance will need to be made on the flagpost start position at floor level. Open roller door pack and lay materials out. You should have a barrel, a safety brake, flag posts, plates for smaller door or plates for larger door, door guides, lath curtain sections, key switch, winding handle, fixing pack, T-bar, wrap for the bottom of the door, soffit brush, and a bracing angle. Check dimensions of the barrel match the tube length on the job sheet. Check overall dimensions of flagpost and support angle match the job sheet angle too, depending on your door size. For smaller doors, you will see a star bracket for the motor on the plate. On the other plate will be a bracket for the safety brake. On larger doors, the safety brake will fit on an angle shelf, and there will just be bolt holes the other side for the motor. To start installation, fix the motor side flagpost first. See job sheet for handing. The handing is based on viewing the door from inside. Using the 10mm hex bolts, place post angle against the structural opening, setting the internal angle back 65 or 85mm from the structural opening, depending on the size of U-section door guide you have, being 65 or 85mm, drill and fix one hole. Ensure the flag post is level before fixing and drilling other holes. Begin fixing the second flag post, again measuring 65 or 85mm from the structural opening. Then fix one hole to secure the flag post. Check the furthest dimensions that you have the flag posts fitted. Match the O-pin length on the job sheet. Bolt plates onto the flag post. Ensure any angle welded cleats are situated in the top corner inside the building. Install the safety brake on the barrel at ground level. If your plate has a square safety bracket, you will need to remove the end washer on the barrel. Slide the safety brake on the shaft and replace the end washer. Then loosen the grub screw. If you have the other type of gold, larger safety brake, simply slide onto the keyed section of the barrel, ensuring the arrows on the brake are pointing in the direction to match the open-close direction of the door. Lift the barrel into position and secure with bolts and split pin. Retighten the grub screw and check the barrel is level. Create a temporary power supply using a 3-pin plug on a flexible cable that you can connect to a power supply. Wire in the key switch using diagram for LR-Delect TMK switch 002. Operate the key switch to turn the barrel in a downward direction until it stops. When it's stopped, you have reached the downward limits on the tube motor. Once you have established a downward limit using the blue adjuster, turn the barrel so the lugs on the barrel are at 12 o'clock. Remove the factory assembled lath on the barrel. Be sure to note the way it was fitted. You will notice one of the sections of lath in the pack has an odd number of laths compared to all the others. The one with the odd number of laths is the one that goes at the top. You will need to insert the length that came off the barrel to the top of this section of lath. With the remaining laths, continue to slide each section onto the last section above. Noting the small loop is always pointing up. Continue repeating the process until all remaining curtain sections are in place. Then add the bottom T-bar. If you have ordered an insulated door, the last section and the section that fits on the barrel goes together like this. Raise the door using the key switch to the top. Using the blue plastic adjuster if necessary, increase or decrease limits on the tube motor. Start assembling the door guides. Insert the top of the door guide across the lath and then fix to flag posts. Lower and raise the door, adjusting the limits if required. Install the 40mm by 50mm bracing angle using the welded lugs on the plates. Install winding eye into tube motor. Please note The manual operation for these doors is for emergency purposes only, not for regular use. Install soffit brush at top of door. Install base rubber on bottom T-bar. Remove temporary power supply. Please conduct your own risk assessment before installing your doors. Our installation video is for guidance only